Dog food? People food. Which is which?
Whatever, hon. Oh, this is so good. Do you know what is that?
Sardines.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year, B. Look,
Good morning, Philippines!
Look at me, Dada. I'm hungry. I'm always hungry because I look like a piggy. Look at my stomach, Dada. I'm so unhealthy. And if you really love him, you have to take care of them. You cannot just keep feeding them. And stop begging for food.
That's quick your face.
Little boy, please stop begging. Look at the begging face and Baba. No. No, hon. Can you just look at him, honey? He wasn't like that, hon. He is very healthy and thin. Now he is a body. Healthy? What kind of healthy are you talking about? None. It's not about the activity. It's about look at the size of his body. Luto ako ng sausage, guys, sa oven para madala ni Tammy. So, mag-New Year tayo dito with Lloydie. Yun. Kasi si Tammy, kailangan niyang umalis kasi bukas may trabaho. I'll be right back. Tulog pa si Tammy. Pinatulog ko lang siya. Ay, kakaiba talaga dito sa Amerika, no? Yung New Year is parang wala lang dito, guys. Parang wala lang. Sa Pilipinas, ano siya, ang ingay. Kahit matagal na ako dito, ganun pa rin yung pakiramdam ko. Yung parang sobrang kakaiba yung feeling dito talaga. Yung parang wala lang. 2:30 na 2:40 na doon ng umaga. So, tapos na to 2020 na doon dito. 2019 pa. Tapos na yung sausage, guys. Time check, it is 2:36. So, ngayon, guys, nagluluto ako ng yung pork. Niluluto ko lang siya hanggang mawala yung oil, hanggang ma-fry na siya. So, itatry natin itong lutuin. 2 cans ang gagamitin ko. So, sabihin ko sa inyo kung okay ba siya gamitin. This is the green jackfruit in water. They have a different kind in something. I don't know. But this is in water. I-drain lang natin yan later. And then, nagataan natin. So, ang imimix ko sa kanya is ginger, siling haba. Ipa-fry natin ang onion at garlic. Ito. What kind of... Tommy picked the bad one, but what is it?
The bad one? No, the rest of them were worse. That was the best one that was there.
Okay. Cook this with coconut milk. This, that.
Jack shit and peppers.
Jack shit. Guys, he just said jack shit. Why is he that?
Jack shit and peppers. Good thing I brought you real food to cook.
Huh?
I brought you some steaks. Nice. Cooked.
Real food. So, you're talking about this Filipino food is fake food?
Come in a can.
Ayhan.
Yeah. Okay. It's fake.
It's not fake.
Come in a can.
Jackfruit is never... You cannot make a fake jackfruit, hon. No, don't even open it yet because you're gonna get dark.
Hey guys. Dog food? People food. Which is which? Whatever,
hon. We're not in the Philippines. We are not in the Philippines. My husband is so freaking Scotch. I don't know, for some reason he doesn't love Filipino food. And he weird the freaking Filipino.
Can. Canned fruit.
We have to make a picture later. I don't even know if Rosa will come over here.
I'm more than happy to meet your friends. You have your day together. You're good.
What do you think of our sex life? Perfect. So good!
Wow! Remember, you still got cakes in the refrigerator.
No, I'm gonna throw the other one.
Why?
Because look at it, the one that is individual thing like that. Look at it.
The cookies?
It's not cookies. It's like a...
The pastries.
Yeah.
Yeah, why are they bad? They can't be bad.
And it's not bad. It's just... I just don't like it.
And then you get the cheesecake, which would be nice.
Hmm?
Then you got the cheesecake.
I love ginger honey.
Very healthy for you too.
Yeah. Why you think? Why you filming me? Because I said, let me see if this is worth it. Ooh, let me see, huh? Let me see. This is the jackfruit in can. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, oh. Hala, oy, this is not enough, oy. This is not enough. This is not enough. Okay, this is the jackfruit I remember.
You grow it in cans too?
I had. This is not enough for the 3 of us, but it's
Well, then why you only buy 2?
That's okay. We're just gonna have this, have that, dried fish and rice, but I don't have rice. So,
Sausage and chicken.
huh?
Sausage and
No,
chicken
the
and taco
sausage.
to go.
Hand that sausage, honey, you have to bring. Yes, guys, I'm cooking. Oh my god. Oh, diba? Come on, come over here. If you're vlogging, vlog it right. You are a vlogger, talk.
I'm not a blogger. I'm holding a camera.
Yes, you are a vlogger.
So people can see that you're making a home-cooked canned food meal.
Honey,
It's like pouring Campbell's soup into a cup, throw it in the microwave and say, look, I made you soup.
this is what happens
made you
when
soup.
you live in America, okay? There's no fresh jackfruit, fresh whatever.
That's not true, guys. We've gotten jackfruit plenty of times and she knows it.
That's a sweet one. You cannot cook up ripe jackfruit.
I don't know, you kept going back for more, so I'm guessing it was pretty good.
Yeah, but I'm cooking, hon. This is not ripe and cooked. So, yeah.
Oh, she's
So,
going to take the
show
camera.
me- What is this? This is for the jackfruit, ginger, garlic, onion, and then habang siling haba. And that sausage is really poor sausage. It's like sausage of somebody. Sausage of somebody. Sausage of somebody.
Oops.
Don't even. Don't zoom.
Now you've blurred it.
Because you are crazy. Guys, look at this, guys. It's really cute. It's just jackfruit that is like buried in water for years. How many years is this?
It's already been in that can for a year.
Stop zooming my face, Tommy, please.
I'm zooming the jackfruit now on your face.
There's the jackfruit, guys. Look. Tingnan nyo naman yan, guys. This is a cute taste. This is a tasting only. Tasting.
Guys, so you know that jackfruit, I looked, the manufacture date was February of 2019.
That's what happened when you, Han, this is what happened when you
It's
scan.
almost a year old, and it supposedly expires on February 2021. So it's good in a can for 2 years. That
Okay.
means it can sit on the shelf in your closet, in your pantry, in your refrigerator, whatever, for 2 years. Before you open it. Once you open it, of course, it's going to go back.
Don't forget that. You know I'm so short. It's hard to manage.
You're even too tall for the camera now.
It's okay. Stop moving. You know I have short legs.
Who's touching my back?
Foxy.
Rox. Why are you climbing on my back, kid?
Always somebody texting me. Can we read it?
Go ahead.
It's a number of something. Congrats to you, lucky user of our internet data. Yeah, right. What is that?
Bite me. Mess up my hair. I didn't get cut.
You don't cut your hair.
Yeah.
So now
I couldn't sit
Thursday-
there. I just couldn't sit there and wait. I wound up being another 45 minutes before they even take me so.
No, Thursday you have to go back over there.
Maybe.
It's good that they're open, hon.
Well, they probably do a lot of business because people getting their hair done for New Year's Eve. Because people go out to dinner and go out to like fireworks shows and crap like that.
There's no fireworks show here in New Year's.
Yes, there are.
This is the Philippines.
Yes, there are.
Hon, how many years I've been here yet?
It's legal to shoot fireworks off here on New Year's.
It's gonna be 13 years. This
You have to go to the right place, hon. There's no. It's not like 4th of July where there's an actual fireworks like a big fireworks show, but they have little shows, and people shoot fireworks all over the place.
Over here?
Yes.
All I know is the 4th of July here, very noisy.
No, legal and New Year's also.
Magluluto tayo ng ito. Jackfruit, guys. Jackfruit. Ito yung gamitin nating lutuan. Magpirito tayo ng oil. So, tapos na tayo sa pork. Parang sunog siya, diba? Pero yun yan talaga, guys, para mawala yung fats niya, yung sa taba. Ito, ipadala ko yan kay Tami. Ayaw ko yan. So, ito yung oil lahat, guys, o sa pork. Ang daming oil, diba? So, yun siya. And, ilagay natin si... My asawa is scaring me. Hala, uy, ang init pala. Ginger. Ang bango nito. Unahin natin si ginger. Ang bango talaga ng ginger pag pinirito mo talaga ba? Ginger. Yan. Iba-brown lang natin yan kaunti. Nilagyan ko siya ng garlic, guys, kasi gusto ko garlic din. Yan. Ang bango. Ang sunod nito is okay. Pagkasunod ni jackfruit is si itong si oh, this is so good. Do you know what is that?
Sardines.
So good. Look, sardines with tomato. They're so good. You can eat it just like that. It's browning. It's browning. Ning, ning, ning. Final. Guys. Ayan. You don't have to boil this because this is already cooked. Then, ilagay natin si coconut milk. What happened, baby? Okay. Ito na siya, guys. Hopefully, okay ito. At paano lang natin siya, lutuin lang natin siya hanggang mawala yung gata niya. Ilagay natin si sardines. Okay lang yung sardines mawala. Yung lasa lang naman i-ano natin dito yung lasa. Ito siya, guys. Yung gata. Dito si Lloydie matutulog. Dito ako at saka si Roxy. So, i-ano lang siya. Dito lang siya sa airbed. Para hindi siya maano dito. Dito lang kami matulog, guys, sa baba. Sa kwarto namin ni Tami dahil tawag nito. Para hindi siya matakot ba? Kasi para magkasama kami sa isang kwarto at malaki naman dito. So, yun. Pabayaan lang natin yan. Ang dali na lubat ng camera ko. Si Tami din naalis siya. Mamaya sabi ko kakain muna siya bago siya alis. And hindi ako nag-ano ng gulay. Kain na kami, guys. What time is it? 6 o'clock. Ito yun siya. Langka. Langka, binaw?
Langka.
With sardines, B. At saka yun siya. Uy, ang itim, B.
Hindi, okay lang yan.
Okay na. Rice. Yun lang yung dinner namin. Lloyd is here. Ano ba? Mag-take ako ng Alive, B. Alive medicine. Dahil meron ako at saka mamaya mamatay ako sa sakit. Masaktan ako nito. Alib tayo, alib. Yung sound ng intro ng movie na pinanood natin, parang horror. Nanggingan mo. Ay! Napanood natin yan! Patayin ko nga, be. Ayun. Hala, yung oil natutulog na. Okay ka lang dyan. Okay. Konti lang yung anuhin ko, ha. Gagawin niya ako, be. Kaluka. Yan na, ito na. Okay na to sa iyo. Kung gusto mong marami, magagawa ka tayo. Gawa, ito.
Kasi halos 2 weeks sabi na walang trabaho. Ay, hindi siya pumasok.
Hindi siya pumasok. Para may kasama ka. Naluka ako sa ending. But anyway guys, we're going to end this vlog. Matutulog kami sa bedroom namin. Pinatay ko lang yung ilaw dito. But anyway, may bed naman siya doon. Be, talon tayo, be.
Gawain lang yung tatalon.
Hindi ako naniwala.
Nakailang talon ako eh. Imbis na sa akin, third yung
Kaya pala mas mataas ka sa akin kunti.
konti.
Daming tao eh. Katakot naman yun. Be, tignan mo, be. Start na, be. Si Mayor de Bladio.
Ha?
Look, start na. 1. Start yung counting na yun. Start na. Oh my God. Pababa na, be. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! May mga fireworks pala, be. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. 2019 is almost over. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, B. Look, tana, ang dami nagkikis, B. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Roxy!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Roxy!
2020 na. Ang daming mga wishes, oh. Yung mga lumilipad wishes yun. Just pati mga bata pumunta sa city. Kaya fireworks, babe. Good night, guys. Tulog na tayo. Okay, kalabas na sila, nagwiwi na, nagpipit na lahat-lahat. Okay, matulog na tayo, be. Oh, hindi pa, maghiga-higa lang ako. Tingin-tingin ng mga ano. Yep. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Matulog na ng